Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw funds using the Kraken app. First, open your Kraken Pro app and tap on the Funding tab at the bottom. From there, you will see your balances. Choose the specific cryptocurrency or fiat currency you want to withdraw. Remember, to initiate withdrawals, your account must be verified to at least the intermediate level, which allows for higher limits and more options. This initial step is crucial for a smooth transaction. Next, you will need to select your desired withdrawal method. For fiat currencies, this often means a bank transfer, while for cryptocurrencies, you will input a wallet address. Carefully enter the precise amount you wish to withdraw, keeping in mind any minimum or maximum limits that apply to your account and chosen method. It is absolutely critical to double-check the recipient's address or bank details to prevent any irreversible errors. Take your time here. Before finalizing, a crucial step is to thoroughly review all the withdrawal details presented on your screen. This includes checking the amount, the destination, any applicable fees, and the estimated time for the funds to arrive. Once you are certain everything is correct, you will be prompted to confirm the transaction, typically using your two-factor authentication code. This security measure helps protect your assets. Always confirm carefully. Finally, let's talk about withdrawal times and limits. Fiat currency withdrawals, like bank transfers, generally take between 0 and 5 business days to process, depending on the specific method chosen. Cryptocurrency withdrawals, however, are usually much quicker, often completing within minutes once confirmed on the blockchain. Daily withdrawal limits can vary significantly, ranging from $5,000 up to $10 million. Based on your account's verification level, plan accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.